Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how can you remove the repost on TikTok account. You have to open your TikTok account first and let's repost a video on my TikTok account. You have to click on the share button here and you have to click on the repost button like this, and yes, you have successfully repost this video. So if you want to remove this repost from your TikTok account, you have to click this share button again and then click on the repost again. Here you will see that another option of remove repost has been displayed. After you have repost this video on your account, just click on it and yes, you have do it successfully. Guys, let's know another way to remove this repost. You have to click on the profile button at the bottom left corner of the page, and then you have to click on the three lines at the top right corner of the page. Click on the settings and privacy and find here an option of watch history. Click on it and here you will find all of the videos on your TikTok account, as we have uploaded the first video as a repost on my account. So just tap on it and then delete. Yes guys, you have successfully removed your repost from your account. I hope you all guys like this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.